Hey guys, what's up? This is your Twitty and Diwali to all of you, all my Indian friends and foreign friends as well. So today I have concluded another skincare review video. So as you guys know, I try a lot of skincare brands and I really invest my time on taking products and using them. Have to waste your time. So the skincare brand for today, which I am going to be CAFFeINE Products, I know you all know what is this brand stands for because it is so popular right now that anything you are gonna buy, just you say that customers top rated and CAFFeINE products will be first on the list. Doesn't matter what it is scrub, serum, mask, anything you search for, it will be customers top rated. So first of all, I want to say what is my first impressions for the CAFFeINE products, where as I told, whatever I search for, I always found out CAFFeINE product. So I just got a burnout, like what is this coffee products just showing all over the market. I think it is just cheap or something, that's why it is so much people are liking it, even if anyone is using it or not, or it is just promoted by the brand. So somehow, and there's a short also available on my YouTube about that, on my purchase of Nika. So I bought 4 products for CAFFeINE. First was face wash, second was face serum, third was eye cream, and I think third was always I want to try the coffee products first because I really don't feel like tea tree products I'm gonna use on my face because I already have dry skin. There is no kind of oiliness for which I have bought the product. I was really excited, but it was like how it's gonna help me. It is just a coffee based products, and like obviously we have used a homemade coffee mask in a while for sure. So I tried it, and let me give you my true review in this. This is the under eye cream, and this is the coffee face serum, and I bought this two in big packaging because I use serum and creams more on my face than any exfoliator or masks in my skin because I like to keep the hydration in. And this were the samples. I think this is the coffee face mask from CAFFeINE. This is a face wash from them. So something I want to tell you at first, that this product smells like coffee, and this smells so much like coffee that every day, every night when I applied the cream or the serums, I felt like I need coffee. I need a cup of coffee too. So if you like the smell of coffee, I think you are going to love the smell of this products as well. But if you don't like the smell of coffee, it's on you, you're gonna buy it or not. But let's now jump on to the product and how it works. So I am a really religious skincare user. Like if I don't have makeup, I will still have something in my skincare. I'm that kind of girl. So I really am really cheap. First of all, like I try to get it on budget. Second of all, it should be working, otherwise I'm not gonna buy it. And I think third will be the packaging, because I really like the things which look good. I think every girl likes the things which look good. Maybe it even doesn't work, but it looks good. We will review first the product. Claims that it is hydrating and energizing face wash with coffee and hyaluronic acid. So what it claims in this face wash is really true, that it hydrates your skin, because when I use the face wash, even with water or with my foamer, it doesn't create that much of bubbles. This really creates like a medium bubbles on your face, and that means the face wash is hydrating because it doesn't have the the bubble legs. It is really hydrating and free from chemicals, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which is hydrating and energizing. Obviously you are using a coffee face wash, so it should be energizing. So I am really happy with this face wash. maybe I'm going to use it again because it doesn't bubbles that much but cleans your skin perfectly, and you can always feel hydrating after using this face wash, because some face washes like Himalayas neem purifying face wash really dries your face off. I don't know with oily skin, but me, a dry skin girl, always when I used in my teenage time, it always dried me up. So this is not that kind of face wash. So it is a really hydrating face wash. So I think the girls with dry skin should go for this face. So second is the coffee face mask with naked and raw espresso coffee with AHA plus BHA. So that means just exfoliate slightly as well. And let me show you how much I am left it with. This is a sample pack and this is what I am left with. So you can understand me with seeing this that I love this product. I love this face mask for all skin types, and I also seen really great differences when you really see how much energized and glowing your face will look, because this is like no miracle guys. Coffee face mask. What do you mean by coffee? It will energize you. That is just this face mask as well. I really love that how much it energizes my face. I really love to use this after a busy day. I really love to use this before like a get together or something really nice. I think I use this all over my Durga Puja. That's why it is like this much left. I will buy this again, and for me this product is 5 out of 5. So next is the CAFFeINE Naked Raw Coffee Face Serum Coffee with White Water Lily. So somehow this coffee range has really different kind of ingredients in this, which makes them a little more special. So this is the serum, and talking about this serum, this is really hydrating serum. Let me show you guys. The ingredients are aqua, glycerine. So first is obviously water and glycerin is also good for your skin. If you don't have any kind of product or you can't buy them, you are low on a budget, just apply a little bit of glycerin on your face. It will really help you with your skin really much. I think it is really, I have also told this on my hyaluronic acid video that if you don't have the budget to buy hyaluronic acid, just use glycerin. It will give you result more faster and is way cheaper than serum because it is really hydrating. I really love whatever is hydrating and energizing. You will get this if you do skincare like me. There are some products when you use on your skin, it will like dull your skin on that night. Maybe it will do great job or something like that, but when you will use it, your skin will go more darker. Like if you are like me or something, your skin, if you apply that moisturizer or that serum, it will be like clog up your pores and just weigh down on your face and keep it a little bit darker complexion for that time or for that night sleep till the morning. So I hope you understand me. So this doesn't happen with this serum and this eye creams, face wash or face masks. I really love whatever my complexion is. It really gives me back with a little brightness without making it more dull or really clogging up my pores. So I really love this serum for that, and it hydrates me as well and it brightens as well. 5 I am enjoying this serum. So last is the eye cream. So first of all, I need to tell you a short story that I need an eye cream right now and I'm really young, but my best friend told me that when you smile, like your eye part is wrinkling really fast or showing wrinkles. So I was like, what the hell? So that night I actually purchased this whole set and everything else. So I bought this CAFFeINE Naked Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream. This is also coffee with white water lily. So this product actually comes into a pump packaging and looks like this. Something about this that I think I much because this is hydrating, but I think eye cream, especially in skincare routines, eye creams comes really last after, the serums, the ampoules and essences, toners. So I think the eye cream should be a little more thicker and should be more moisturizing. This is like in a more kind of hydrating side. So I know this is right, everything is not the same, but this is more hydrating. I think we have to use one more eye cream with a little more oil based after to even dose it up. Using it for half past of week, eye cream doesn't give that much faster results. You have to wait for it. I'm waiting for it, but I am not that much impressed, but I like because this is hydrating, and you can actually use eye creams on your smile wrinkles, on your forehead as well, because we also get wrinkles just this eye area. So let's say that this is also a good product. The thing I haven't liked in this range is nothing. I liked everything is really good, and something I liked a little bit was this eye cream. Other than that, I really love that 3 products. So my top review and my top reference for you guys, which you maybe need to buy if you want to buy, will be the face mask. The face mask is number 1 for me. The second will be the face wash, and the third will be the serum, and I think in fourth will be this eye cream. I am not enjoying it that much. If you like go out on a day-to-day basis, you can use it for day, but if you want to use a night eye cream, just use a more oil based one. This free eye roller, pricing is always my first thing about the products. Whatever I want to buy, maybe I really like something, but because of the price I can't buy it. So for the price, I think the face wash and the face mask, it is a good choice. You can really buy it. For the price, it is okay, but I think for the eye cream and the face serum, it is too much pricey. But if you want to really try something between these, you can try the serum. Don't use that eye cream because it is too pricey for us and it doesn't work that much. But other than that, you can use the face mask for sure. For me, you can quote my words that if you have a really dull skin, this face mask will really energize your face. So yeah, that was my video about today's review. If you like my review, please don't forget to comment below and subscribe to my channel to watch more and more reviews from me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.